Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. Hey, y'all, I've decided I want to do a little quick video here. Nothing fancy, nothing crazy, hard. I'm gonna do some old school onion rings. The way I do them, you want an onion ring that's crispy. When you bite into it, the breading stays on, the onion doesn't come out. I'm gonna show you my little secret recipe. I guess it's not a secret anymore. A way I do my onion rings. First, I just start out with regular onions here. Get over here. I got regular onions here. I cut them, got them sliced up, about an inch thick here, and I put them in ice cold water for like 5-10 minutes. Let them get in ice cold water so they can really firm up. And you got to be very careful. See how that one snapped? They get so firm that they'll snap up on you. Okay, over in this next bowl here, all I got, you can use buttermilk. I'm just using regular sweet milk and a couple of eggs. Mix this up right here. I got my grease heating up over here. Okay, this is gonna be very simple, y'all. And I got these little ends here I chop up, y'all, and use for cooking purposes. The little inside. Okay, and in this bag here, I just got regular AP flour. I'm gonna put a little salt and pepper in this. A little salt and pepper in here. Let me get a spoon here and do this. Ain't nothing like good onion rings, y'all. Good old onion rings. Okay. And in my bowl over here, I'm gonna put some salt and pepper in the other bowl here. Like I said, I'm gonna season my breading. That's important, y'all. Okay, I'm gonna mix the salt up in here. So it's gonna be a wet, dry, wet method. And in this bowl here, all I got is 1 part these regular plain breadcrumbs here, and 1 part of AP flour, 50-50. AP flour and AP unseasoned breadcrumbs. I'm gonna set the breadcrumbs to the side. And what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna take these onions, put them in the bag here with the flour. Get them up here, be real gentle. Ain't gonna shake it like I normally shake it. I wanna make sure they're good and coated. Take them off and put them in the milk here. Milk egg mixture. Put them in there. Take them off, put them in there. Make sure you shake all the flour off of them. Excuse me, y'all. That salt and pepper ain't no joke. Okay, let me move these to the side. Okay, now this is where you gotta be very gentle with this. Now, I'm gonna take this sheet here. I'm gonna take the ones, I'm gonna make sure it's really coated in the milk. See that? I'm gonna drop them in here. Drop them in there, little at a time, y'all. You don't want to do this too fast. Now, I'm gonna coat these really good, y'all. Make sure they coated really good. And what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna take them, I'm gonna lay them on a rack here. I'm gonna let them sit here about 10-15 minutes. Let that coating really get on the onion ring. Okay, let me do about 2 or 3 more, and then y'all have an idea. Then I'll step off and do the rest. See that? Make sure it's really coated. Dust it off. Put it on the sheet pan here or a rack. You don't have to have a rack unnecessarily. That's it. That's it. Now, I'm gonna step off here, y'all, and finish the rest of them. And when we come back, we're gonna fry them up. So y'all see that? Y'all see what I'm doing here? It's very important you let them set up, y'all, and let that coating just get on there a little bit before you put them in the fryer. So like I said, I'm gonna step off here, finish breading the rest of them. I'll be back when it's time to put them in the grease. Be right back. Okay, y'all, we back here. I've let these hang out about 15 minutes here. See how they look? Now, all I'm gonna do, y'all, take them, drop them right in the fryer. Right in the fryer here. Oh, in the oil. I'm saying fryer. Right in the oil. Well, you know, they don't take long to cook. So you get a nice golden brown on them. We're going to take them off. I'm going to put them right back on the rack that I took them off of and let them drain. Be very gentle with them, y'all. Looks like good onion, nice crispy onion rings, y'all. See that? Like I said, they don't take long at all to cook. Maybe 2 or 3 minutes and they done. See that? That nice golden brown on there. Take them off. Put them right back on the rack they come off of. See that? Let them drain. I don't like to let them drain on a paper towel because it makes them soggy. See that? See that? See how pretty those are, y'all? That's onion ring. Now I'm going to finish cooking the rest of them off, and I will be right back, and we're going to taste these things up. So I'll be right back here. Okay, y'all, we are back here. Onion rings are ready. Let me give you a really, really close up on these, y'all. See how easy, see how crispy, golden brown, just like in the restaurant, y'all. Just like in the restaurant style onion rings, y'all. Just like in the restaurant. So anyway, let me try one here. You know I gotta eat it with ketchup. Gotta have, I love onion rings, y'all. A little ketchup there. Give me this one here. See that bite? See how the onion don't come out? It stays on the onion ring. That's what you want, y'all. They nice and crispy. Look at that. Perfect onion ring. Perfect onion ring, y'all. If you eat an onion ring, when the onion comes right out of the breading, another thing, sometimes the breading's too thick. Perfect onion ring right here. And one more. That's it, y'all. But anyway, finish chewing this up. The key, like I said, y'all, in the beginning, soak your onions in cold water first. It firms them up. Then hit it with the flour to make that glue. So the other, when you put the milk in there, then the final breading will stick. That's the key. I promise you, use these 3 steps that I do. Your onion ring come out just like this. And they'll stay crispy. They'll sit up here and just stay crispy. It's been sitting here, what, 10 minutes? And they still crispy. They're not soggy. And that's the key. The perfect onion ring. So, I just want to share this little video for y'all. Not really nothing fancy. Nothing like that. But sometimes the simple things. Get you a cheeseburger, homemade cheeseburger. Make you some homemade onion rings like this. Shoot. It can't go wrong. So anyway, let me close this video out. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please share, please comment. Please follow my other social media accounts, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag this year, 2021, is help somebody, Old School Soul Food. Until next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.